velocity is a relative concept, which means that the velocity of an object with respect to two different persons may be different. So relative velocity means velocity of an object with respect to a given observer. Now let me take few examples and then we will generalize a method to calculate the velocity of an object with respect to a given observer. Let me take an example that we have an object A which is moving in this direction with a velocity say VA. Then there is another object B. It is also moving in the same direction but with a different velocity VB. Now what is the velocity of this object with respect to this? You can take an example, say you are moving in a car A with a speed of say 40 kilometers per hour. There is another car moving parallel to you with a speed of say 50 kilometers per hour. This is 40 and this is 50. If you are sitting in this car, this is moving forward. So you are actually moving backward with respect to this. And if you are in this car, you appear to move in forward direction with respect to this, but with a different speed, not 50. And if you both are moving in the same direction with same speed, say this is also 40, then with respect to this or with respect to this, the other appear at rest. So that's the meaning. If I am taking 40 and 50, it means it is with respect to another person who is at rest with respect to some distant star. That is the standard that we use. So velocity of A with respect to B is actually VA plus minus VB. Velocity of A with respect to B is this. So it appears to move back. If I ask what is the velocity of B with respect to A, then this is VB plus minus VB. So we take the difference. So with respect to this, or the speed of this with respect to this is just 10 kilometers in forward direction. So the speed of this with respect to this, it means as it appears to this person, it is 10 in this direction. And to this observer, this appears to move with 10 in this direction, and with respect to this observer, he will see this moving forward but with a speed of only 10. Because another way of looking the situation, what is the rate at which the distance between them is changing? It is 10 km per hour. This is moving forward with respect to this 10 km more in 1 hour. So the speed of this is 10 km per hour with respect to this. Now this was the first case. Let me take another case. Now A is moving in this direction, but B is in opposite direction. So we will take a minus sign because it is in opposite direction. Now just imagine yourself, you are sitting in a car moving in this direction, there is another car which is moving in opposite direction. So actually it appears to move faster. You add the two speeds to calculate the relative. So velocity of A with respect to B is again A plus B. When they are in opposite direction, it is 40, it is 50. So it appears to move with a speed of 90. Relative speed of B with respect to A, B is moving in this direction. So again, if we see the speed of this with respect to A, it again appears to move in this direction. So it is minus VB minus VA. right? So when they are in the same direction, it is VA minus VB, VB minus VA, so just the difference of the two. But if they are in opposite direction, the speeds are added. Right, so plus, left, so both minus. Now on the basis of these four results, can we generalize the situation? Means, if we don't give you the velocity of the two objects along the same line, it is at some angle, then how will we calculate? Say for example, if I say there is an object A moving in this direction, there is another object B moving in this direction. So find out the velocity of A with respect to B or B with respect to A. Then how will we calculate? So observe again all these four results. We wanted velocity of A with respect to B. So what we did? We inverted the sign of B and added it into the first. To find out velocity of B with respect to A, we inverted the sign of A, added it into B. Here again, VA is plus, VB is minus. To find out the velocity of A with respect to B, VA plus, we again inverted the sign and this. To find out B with respect to A, we have the velocity of B, inverted this sign and added this into this. So in all these actually, we can generalize that velocity of A with respect to B is the resultant of velocity of A and negative of velocity of B. So this can be used as a general rule to find out the relative velocity. Velocity of any object with respect to another one is the resultant of velocity of that object for which you are calculating and negative of the velocity of that with respect to which you are calculating the velocity. Now let us take this example. This is VA in this direction, VB. If I say find out the velocity of A with respect to B, then it will be the resultant of velocity of A and negative of velocity of B. B is up, so it is taken as down. VB, VA, and then use the vector law. This is velocity of A with respect to B. You can find out the angle and that's it. So this is how we can find out the velocity of any object with respect to another one. Giving you another very common example, that a person is moving in horizontal direction with a velocity say VP. Rain is falling vertically downward. Raindrops are vertically downward with velocity VR. In what direction should the person hold his umbrella to protect himself from the rain? So the man is moving in horizontal direction and raindrops are downward. How should he hold his umbrella to protect himself from the rain? So what do we need actually? How should he hold his umbrella means in whatever direction raindrops appear to come down, he will hold the umbrella in that direction. So we need the speed of raindrops, velocity of raindrops actually, we need direction also, with respect to moving person. So it will again be the resultant of velocity of raindrops and negative of velocity of person. So this is velocity of raindrops. Person is moving in this direction, so we will take this minus VP VR. Find out the resultant? It is this one. So if he is moving in this direction, raindrops appear to come. So it means he should hold the umbrella like this. So what we need actually, this angle or this angle. So if this angle is calculated, you can say he will hold the umbrella at an angle theta inclined in forward direction from vertical. So you need this value or this. So this we can calculate tan theta. This will be this by this. So VP upon VR. So we'll get the value of angle.